What is up, guys? Done at this site. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Squarespace to your Google Analytics. So first, you need to head over to your Google Analytics, and then on the left side, you need to click on Admin. After clicking on Admin here, the admin settings will open. And from here on the left side, you need to click on create and then you need to click on property. So we will be creating a new property. So first name your property, and after naming your property here, you need to click on next. After clicking on next, you need to enter your business details. And let's say I am going with the business at the industrial and I'll go with small. Next. After that, you just need to choose your business objectives. I want generate leads, drive sales, and view user engagement and retention. I'll click on create. So this will create my new property. Now from here, I need to choose a platform. I'll go with web. And here in this website, you need to enter your Squarespace website by just copying this web URL of your profile. And then you just need to head back and paste it here. You just simply need to backspace all the HTTPS one. And here you need to name your website. After naming your website, you just simply need to click on create and continue here on the right side. And then your property will be created to your Squarespace website. So as you can see, this is my Squarespace website's URL, and this is my new property in Google Analytics. So this will go pop up. There will generate a new pop-up. So from here, you just simply need to copy this code and then head back to Squarespace again. In the Squarespace, you need to click on the advanced settings option, but I currently don't have any advanced settings option because I haven't purchased a pro version of Squarespace. So if you purchase it, you will see the advanced settings option. From there, you need to click on code injection and then just simply paste this code that you just copied from your Google Analytics. So this is how you can connect your Google Analytics to Squarespace. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.